Hey Titans, welcome to the Titan Survey video. In this video, we'll talk about the web survey and show you the demonstration. So let's get started. First of all, what is a web survey? It's the ability to create a survey that has multiple slides, allowing your customers to give you feedback and push the responses without doing any configuration in Salesforce. That's correct, without doing any configuration in Salesforce. Let me elaborate on my last point. We really do mean it. No configuration, no code required, and I will show you how it works. Who can use it? Well, if you're a Salesforce admin, architect, developer, you can use it. If you're a business user, you can use it and also configure it. No configuration required in Salesforce, just in the survey itself. Anybody. This is used for anybody out there, which is why this is the best thing. This is the web survey. This is what it looks like. These are some of the questions that you have. Let me show you a little bit more inside survey. Here it is. This is what the platform looks like. On the left hand side are all your slides, and in the middle are all your questions. All you have to do is choose your questions. It can be ranking, it can be Boolean, it can be a lookup, it can be a signature field, it can be a time field. Whatever you want. All data types are fully available within the survey and Salesforce as well. And all you have to do is just simply insert it. That's it. You don't have to configure it in Salesforce. It's all done for you. What do I mean by that? Well, let's say we've completed this survey and we've published it. This is what the published version looks like. You click start and you go through your responses slide after slide, and it changes based on the response that you give. Just like that. Keep going. And that's what a web survey is, that you can add this onto your website however you want. You've got different data types like ranking, really awesome features. Once it's submitted, we did promise that no configuration in Salesforce is required, and we mean that. What happens in Salesforce? We will create the objects for you as well as the responses. So this is the first object, which is the distribution. These are all your questions, and these are the amount of people that have taken that survey. And these are their responses. Each response is recording as per the question. It's really nice. We pass a JSON value as well as the response type all into Salesforce. This is all done for you. You just have to install the package and we will do the rest. None of this you have to ever do. Isn't that exciting? What else can you do? Well, you get amazing analytics. This is something you don't have to do either, but so we'll do it for you. In the dashboards, when you install the package, every response that comes in, we will create a dashboard for you and show you some awesome analytics. You can see your responses, abandoned takers, question response analysis, survey takers by distribution method, distribution status, survey status. Pretty cool stuff. And this is all done for you. You don't even have to touch it. Once you install the package, we will insert all the dashboards and all the survey responses in there for you. So, speaking of distribution methods, which ones do we have available? Well, you can send the survey using a Salesforce report. You can have as many entities in there you can send it. Same for the list view. You can use Salesforce object, any objects. You can use Apex, Process Builder, Flow. For automation, you can also publish it via URL if you'd like. I'm sure you're wondering, do we have conditional logic? Absolutely. In your survey, for every slide that you use, you will get a flow. You will get two types, a default flow or a custom flow. You can simply add your question, choose any of the questions, set up conditional logic, and once the conditional logic is there, you can then decide what happens next. So for example, if I just put Boolean false here, you can now see that you will get else or slide 1. And this is what we mean. You can set up conditional logic. If equals false, tell them something else something else. So beautiful conditional logic in Titan Web Survey for you. So all of this awesome stuff, how do you get it? Head over to the Salesforce AppExchange, search for Titan Survey, install and done, free for a year for the first 50 users that sign up. Thank you.